हट जा यंकण जीवन मूरे आउणों हट जा अख नाले अख तू मिलाउणों हट जा यंकण जीवन मूरे आउणों हट जा फेर ना कहीं कोई एवें सेट कर लू तकिया ना कर टेडी टेडी तकनी ओ बच के पतंदरां तो रह कुड़िए नी पिंडां वाली हुंदी ऐ मंडीर चकनी बच के पतंदरां तो रह कुड़िए नी पिंडां वाली हुंदी ऐ मंडीर चकनी पिछों पिंड मुड़ जावांगे साडा इको किता जाके फोड़ हकना खुलियां जमीनां महंगे शौक जट्टां दे खुलियां जमीनां महंगे शौक जट्टां दे 40 किलियां दा पिंड आउंदा तक नी ओ बच के पतंदरां तो रह कुड़िए नी पिंडां वाली हुंदी ऐ मंडीर चकनी ओ बच के पतंदरां तो रह कुड़िए नी पिंडां वाली हुंदी ऐ मंडीर चकनी सूट ते ढिलों बैठा जिम्मी नाल लावे शर्तां ढिलों बैठा जिम्मी नाल लावे शर्तां कहंदा ओह औडी वाली मैं पटनी ओ बच के पतंदरां तो रह कुड़िए नी पिंडां वाली हुंदी ऐ मंडीर चकनी ओ बच के पतंदरां तो रह कुड़िए नी पिंडां वाली हुंदी ऐ मंडीर चकनी
Just to see this the first of its kind in this event, so I want to be here.
How you like it so far?
Excellent. I think the organizers have done a very good job. I don't think I was a little skeptical before coming in, but very impressive.
What was your favorite part? Something you really enjoyed for the day or anything?
All panels, I have to say.
Yeah.
All the right people in all the panels. It's great to be
Thank you.
Hi, this is Pradeep, and I'm 96 PS226. It's a fantastic evening to be in, and Ananda is actually getting signals there. And it's been a great fun to come over here and meet all the friends. Thank you.
Okay, my name is Jayan Ramakuni. I'm from the Bay Area. I came to BitSync because I've been involved in BitSync from the beginning, and I just love the energy. Everyone seems to like it, and so we're going to have this again next year. So I can't wait for the next year, but right now I'm just getting ready for the music session. We're going to be having a blast. Thank you.
Thank you.
So my name is Raju Reddy. I'm from the batch of 1976, and just thrilled to be here. And congratulations to the folks that put together this wonderful conference. It takes a lot, to sort of plan and put the first of its events like this, a pan North America event, and very impressed with the quality of the panel speakers, of course attendees. It's a nice, lovely, festive atmosphere at a great location too. So once again, congrats, and great time, of course, for me to catch up with my batchmates and other fellow bits.
Thank you.
Swati, 93 C7PS780. Very, very well done event. I have to say everything worked like clockwork. The participants, in the panels, the talks, such accomplished Vitsians, seeing them here, it was really inspiring for me to watch. I'm taking away a lot of lessons. I'm taking away a lot of motivation and a lot of memories. Which it's not only an event where we about nostalgia. It's also an event about connecting professionally and learning. So very well done to the organizing team. Kudos to you. Thank you so much.
1985, Tripoli, for those who knows what that means. So I heard about BitSync, and it's one of the ideas that you think about, you wish you had it yourself. I think it's a great idea, and the turnout just shows that it's been very well organized. To be honest, much better than I expected for a first-time event. My favorite panel was my own, but just kidding. I love the closing panel. I liked it a lot with Raju and Prem and Professor, etc. So, but let's hope it's 10 times bigger next time. And thanks for having me.
Thank you.
Hi, this is Vivek Pendakar, 1975 to 1980, Tripoli. And it's an awesome event. First of all, congratulations to all the organizers, all their initiatives, all their leadership in putting this together. We actually started the BITSA here in 1999. And I really like this format because the BITS guys are in leadership positions across so many industries. And this is a great format for them to get together and we explore from a professional level and a social level. So great job. Look forward to it next year. Thank you.
I'm super glad that I came to this event. It's all Nivi and all her work to make this a popular event with all the marketing you guys did. Thank you. But it's been an awesome event. Just the amount of energy here, the number of people that I've met at some of the junior batches. It's awesome. So, what's wrong here?
It was awesome to be here. I didn't think so many people would show up at 7:30 in the morning. But it's very intimidating. A lot of people had shown up already. And then now the energy is just can't wait for this.
So I would say, I was just blown away with the organization. It's been fantastic. I mean, these guys work really hard. One thing, better drinks next time. Some beer. Some beer. Yep, so it was great. It was really a great adventure. I flew in just to be with all of these batchmates who are and all of the previous and next year events. The event has been very well organized. Events right from Harry's beginning part all the way to Amit's last recording session. They were excellently very meaningful to us. We connected back to bits. It was very nice to reminisce some of the great moments we all had. Each one of us. I'm sure connected in different way, but it was very nice. So thank you all, the organization team. Really had fun, and we look forward for this to happen again and again with more of our approach to it and get to know people get excited about it. Expand the horizon. What is it that they will do with this? Thank you.
Hello, my name is Ravi Cherukuri. I'm from the 97 batch, 97 February 374. I'm also the CEO of BITSA International. So BITSA, as you see, has organized a great event here. It has been phenomenal. It has beaten the expectations of all the attendees here. The panels were great, and a lot of people got a lot of useful information from here. I came in yesterday exclusively for this event from down south in California, and I come back again. Great job, thank you.
Hi, I'm Sajida Kaliadan, 92A6 management batch, and I heard about this invite through the email and realized that a few people that I knew in the Bay Area were organizing this event. Came in expecting to meet quite a lot of people, but even then I was frankly very, very surprised by the sheer turnout. I had a really, really good time reconnecting with some friends, meeting new people, and the panel discussions and everything else that I attended today was also very, very informative, very inspiring to see good scenes from all walks of life doing so many amazing and impactful things. I'm looking forward to more events in the future and would love to contribute and volunteer as well. And would love to see many more people show up for such events. Really makes me feel proud to be a Bitsing. Thank you.
Yeah, hi, I'm Rahul Tripathi from the 98 batch. My sole purpose is I'm trying to find people to drag me when I got there and these are some of the guys that I'm trying to get my revenge with. That aside, having fun at the event. It's a great event.
The guy who has spent 6 months doing product management. I'm Rahul, 8983PS077. Trying to find out what's going on outside the office. That's why I'm here. No, I left. Big things. 89 batch.
Hello, I'm Jayant Somali. I'm from 88 batch. Having a wonderful time. I didn't show up for the rest of the conference, but I just came here to see my friends and the people those who were with me. I'm having a great time.
Thank you.
This is Deepak Sharma, batch of 91A1, and which was one of the foundations for us when we went there. The relationships we made and the networks that we created along with the learning. That is
Hello,
what really
Bitsians.
helped us to come
Hope
here.
you're enjoying your
Do you want me
dinner.
to keep going on?
So,
that is what
in the
helped us
next
to come
5
here.
minutes,
And
let
this
us
time
wrap
our
and
91
start
batch
going
was
back
the
for the
one of the highest. So
performances.
there were 20 plus of us who showed up. All of us passionate not just about connecting with each other, but also the learning we got. I think for the first time, we did a conference that was both the right balance of professional with the flexibility to network, meet your friends, and really reconnect with people, but at the same time also getting some very deep insights about industry where we all are in our life and careers right now and how to take that forward. So all in all, it was a great mix of professional with networking and personal, and the passion, it was great to see that the passion that we had 25 years ago when we went into the college is still there, and it is something that connects us instantly and allows us to take whatever ideas we have and make them much bigger.